Hi everybody, it's Kyle Gibson here with Route 66 RVs. Welcome to the How To Series. Today we're going to go ahead and show you how to set up your TV, do an auto scan. We're going to talk about your radio too. Stay tuned. First thing we're going to do is take the remote. I'm going to go ahead and hit the menu button. And then I am going to navigate over to channel. And then we're going to go make sure we're on air. And then hit auto scan. It's going to ask you. And we want to go ahead and do it. So we're going to let this go ahead and take its course. It should take just a couple minutes. We'll check back with you in just a couple and we'll show you what we found. Alright, our auto scan's complete. We picked up 36 channels with the omnidirectional antenna. That's pretty good. No problems at all doing it. It took under a minute to get it completed, so we had no problem at all. Before I let you go, we're going to go ahead, we're going to talk about one more thing. We're going to talk about your radio situation down here. So what I want to go ahead and do is I'm going to turn it on. This is a Furrion soundbar model. I want to go ahead and hit power. Okay, the main thing with these is just realize you have inside speakers, which is zone 1, located right here. That cuts away the sound. The real one you want to know about is number 2, that's your outside speakers. So just remember, when you're out camping, having fun, your neighbors may not want to hear what you're hearing, and you just might want to be discreet about it. So just be mindful. If you want to run both at the same time, have 1 and 2 showing. If you want just inside only, show 1 showing. Guys, thank you so much for joining us on this how-to video. I'm Kyle. We'll catch you next episode.